Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will going to teach you how to handle errors in Python. Okay, I will explain exception handling in Python using one simple example. Okay, now I will write a code and run it and explain everything step by step in Visual Studio Code, guys. Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to write a simple program to divide two numbers. So the variable name is called a and uh, let me type int as a function and input inside the parenthesis. I will add the enter the numerator, not numerator. Let me add first number. After that, just hit the enter and type b as another variable. After that, int inside the parenthesis I will type input. After that, add the another parenthesis. After add the double quotation, then enter the second number. Okay, so after that we will use it to print or divide number by using input function called print. Inside the parentheses we will type a divide by b. Okay, so just I will extend the our terminal part. Let me run this program. You will see what happened. Okay, it will asking enter your first number. Let me add 90 as our first number and second number is, let me type 0, then it the enter. Okay, you will see zero division error. Division by 0 is not allowed, right? You can see the program is crashed. Python shows the zero division error. This happens because division by 0 is not allowed, right? When this error occurs, the program stop the execution. So to avoid the program crashing, I will now use the try and accept black. Just go top, just I will go top and hit the enter. Again go top. Let me type here try and add the column, right? So now it will going to create this block of code. Let me run. Let me select the three lines and hit the tab button. Now these three lines are inside the try black, right? Now I will came out of the try black. After that, here I will type accept, except, accept black. Hit the column button. After that, we will print some message. Print like some error occurred. Okay. Now I will run this program. You will see what happened. Okay, it will asking uh, first number, let me type 70. After it enter second number, let me type 0. Okay, you can see here, instead of crashing our program, it will going to print a message called some error occurred. So this is what we can call except handling. Okay, so now I will make code more clear by handling a specific exception here. So here I will type uh, what I can type here, 0 division error. Just hit the enter and add the column. Okay, now here I will just change the message here. The message is you cannot divide by 0, zero. Okay, so let me run this program, whether it will check whether it is working or not working. Okay, enter 90 as a first number and a second number is 0. Okay, you can see the message is going to printed on the terminal, you cannot divide by 0, right? So now I will handle another common error called a value error, which occurs when we can enter text instead of numbers. Okay, so just we will add here, uh, let me show you. Again, run our program. Okay, instead of numbers I will add the text as Sudhakar. Let me hit the enter. You can see the value error, value invalid literals for int. We will declare here int as our final numbers, right? So the final output should be in numbers. Int we will declare here, okay, but we will type as a string, so that's why it will showing the value error. So I will use one more except here. Just we will type ex except, let me type value error. Okay, after that, inside the except value error we will type the message like this: print, inside this one you can type please, please enter only numbers. Okay, so let me run this program. We will see what we are going to get. First one is I will type Pratap, Pratap, Pratap. Just hit the enter. You can see please enter only number. So this is, instead of showing value error, it will going to print the please enter the only number. So this is what we can say the exception handling. Okay, so uh, in Visual Studio Code, we do not see the exit code 0. If no error message is shown, it means the program runs successfully. If in case any error means another like a PyCharm, my PyTorch ID, he can be show the exit code 1 or exit code 0. Okay, in Python those are called, those are inbuilt, it not showing in the terminal. Okay, finally, I will going to conclude what is exception handling means. Exception handling helps us to write the safe programs and preventing the crashing and improve the user experience. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.